With the newly released audio tapes in the case against Casey Anthony and the lawsuit filed by Zenaida Gonzalez, there is a lot going on. Fox 35 bringing you the best analysis around. First on Fox tonight, Fox News Channel senior judicial analyst Judge Andrew Napalotanio. He's live from New York tonight. Judge, as always, thank you so much for being with us. We need to start paying you. You're on our show so much. We love it.
That's a good idea, but this case just keeps giving, Amy. There's so much to talk about.
Yeah, there really is, and of course the latest thing is this the phantom nanny, this Zenaida Gonzalez, who is a real person. She does exist, but as we know, actually has nothing to do with this case. Now filing suit against Casey Anthony. I guess not really that surprising.
Well, you know, when you file a lawsuit claiming that somebody defamed you, you sometimes bring more attention to the defamation than the original statement that you say actually harmed you. So here's the law here. Because this woman, the alleged nanny, the mysterious nanny, is involved in a public dispute. Was she the nanny or was she not the nanny? Did she ever take care of the baby or did she never take care of the baby? Does she know where the baby is or does she know nothing about it? She is what the law calls a public person. Because she's a public person, you or anybody in the case can say almost anything you want about her unless you knowingly tell a falsehood or unless you are reckless in your concern for the truth. So if the mother told the police, "This was my nanny," and she really believed that, no lawsuit, the defamation case gets thrown out.
Interesting. All right, so let's talk about this discovery that continues to come out. Now we're getting word that even more discovery is going to come out tomorrow morning. Hundreds of more pages, more text messages, more audio tapes, including interviews with the grandmother in the case, Cindy Anthony. You know, Judge, we've talked about this before, but it just seems odd the way this stuff continues to trickle out. It's like little by little. Here's another pile of discovery.
I agree with you. It's very odd, and it's a product of a law that is unique to Florida that requires the government, when there is information in its possession that it does not plan to present to a grand jury, to release that information. Now, we must presume that the government knows more about the case than we do. They are releasing to us snippets here and pieces of the puzzle there, which are disconnected and which don't really make sense to us. But they are presumably able to connect these dots. We won't see the dots connected unless and until the baby is found alive or dead, and unless and until someone is charged with the baby's disappearance or with the baby's demise. We've heard all kinds of theories, including from the boyfriend. We just heard the tape that the baby probably died in an accident, not intentionally. That's something the police have been working with for a long time, but they can't get enough evidence from someone other than just a suspicion or a hunch to point the finger.
Right, absolutely. All right, Judge Napalotanio, thank you so much as always. We very much appreciate your insight, and we know we'll be seeing you again soon.
It's my pleasure, Amy.
All right, Judge, thank you.